Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video, we will learn about the conjugate root theorem. So let's suppose here we have the polynomial equation p of z equal to x cubed plus 5x squared plus x minus 75. So this is the polynomial equation, and this theorem works only with the real coefficients. Like here, we have all the real coefficients 1, 5, 1 and minus 75. So let's suppose if we have the imaginary coefficient over here or the complex number over here, so this theorem will not work. It will only work with the real coefficients. Let's suppose this is the equation, and the solution of this equation is minus 4 plus 3i. So if this is one possible solution, then definitely the other possible solution will be minus 4 minus 3i, because this is the conjugate of this one. Remember, here we have minus 3i and here we have plus 3i. So the sign is changing. It means this is the conjugate. So this is how this theorem works. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video.